Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. In this video, I'm going to show you uh, how to use a divider component from Angular material in your Angular project. As you can see here, divider. You should actually material.angular.io visit this website and then click on component and then divider. Okay, how we can use what is divider is a component that allows for material styling of align separators with various orientation options, as you can see here, like this: item 1, then align, and then item 2, and something like that. How we can use in our Angular project? Very easy and simple. Just go to view code and copy the markup and open your Visual Studio Code and create a simple Angular project and copy the markup in your app.component.html wherever you want to use. Doesn't matter. Okay, just paste it on your HTML files, and once you add, you should click on API and you should import math divider module in your app module.ts. I'm going to open and I'm going to add import here, and also add in your import area math divider module. That's it. I'm going to save it, and this one also save it. And now let's run the project, how it looks like. In gserve, with this command we can run our Angular project. I hope compile successfully. Let's host the project by localhost 4200. As you can see, item 1, item 2, and item 3. It's very simple, and you can, for example, if you have many items, just copy and paste. And math divider, yeah, item 4, let's rename that and save it. As you can see, item 4. That's how you can use a divider in your Angular project. I hope you will like the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with that. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.